Today, we'll explore the functions for exporting and importing attributes, understanding their operations and their application. We'll be working with these 3 DWG files. I will start by opening the initial drawing. As you can observe, we already have a block reference with attributes. Let me show you how we can set up another block reference with attributes. Add an attribute definition and give it values. The tag value will correspond to the Excel column name, while the default value can be left generic. For now, we'll synchronize it with Excel later on. After creating it, now add it into a block. The block name will be used for the sheet name in Excel. Here you can see we created a block reference with attributes. Now we should incorporate the new block reference into all of our DWG files. To do this, I copy the block to all the drawings we are using today. Once done, I close the drawings and just keep the first one open. Everything is now ready for export. If you have one drawing, you can use the Attributes to Excel function. As we have multiple drawings and we want to export all the attributes, we can use the folder export function. When calling the function, select all the block references you want to export. In this case, I will use both the blocks in the drawing. Once done, it will open Excel. In Excel, you can see our block names match our sheet names. Now we can change your index as an example. You can do this by changing the corresponding column named Index. Let's also add the revision 9 attributes. Always remember when adding numbers and dates to use an apostrophe in front of them. Once all your attributes has been updated, save the Excel file and close it. We can now run the Update Attributes command to update the current drawing. After a few seconds, you will notice the attributes have been automatically added to the drawing. To update all the attributes of all the drawings, you can do it as follows. Close all open drawings and open a new blank drawing. Then run the folder import function and select the folder where all your DWGs are located in. In the command line, you can monitor the progress while it updates. Once the update is complete, it will display all attributes updated. Now, I'll open the drawings to demonstrate that all the attributes have been successfully updated. As you can see, the attributes matches what we did in Excel. Now, I'll guide you on how to update the layout name. If you possess multiple block references, it's essential to update the layout name for each one. However, for efficiency and speed, we suggest creating only one block reference. First, open the drawing list. Once open, begin by updating the layout name in the Index Test sheet, and then copy it to the Title Block Text sheet. Once done, save and close Excel. Now you can press the Update Attributes button again, and you will see after a few seconds the layout name changes. This can also be done for the entire folder if needed. Thank you for choosing AddoSOFT. We're dedicated to enhancing your CAD experience and value your trust in our solutions. Have a great day.